Good day, myself Shobna Subramaniam. My matrix number is CF200186. So our project title is plastic as an additional material in making of clay roofing. So here is the introduction. So basically, roof is the main component of any buildings. Therefore, it needs to be added on highly valuable and significant materials to sustain for long term. Besides that, we can see that there are a lot of plastic waste has been drastically increased day by day. So our group has been planned that to add plastic as an additional material in making of clay roofing. Basically, plastic waste should be treated in a proper way. So it needs a maintenance where it can be said, in other words, it's recycling. So by recycling plastic wastage and making into another useful building component for construction purpose is definitely could make the plastic pollution to be decreased. So here it is our problem statement for our project. So it can be clearly seen that the main problem is overproduction of plastic waste in all around world, which will lead to environmental pollution such as land pollution, air pollution, water pollution, and also it causes some health issues to the humans. So basically, plastic pollution will take huge toll on wildlife, whereby it will causes some plastic to be tangled up in aquatic livings. And it also will soon overweight all the fishes in the sea, and it can be clearly seen in our drinking water and on our plates. Besides that, air pollution is also a major problem which is caused by excessive production of plastic, whereby we can see that people out there are started to burn out all those plastics. So it will definitely cause us some health issues such as respiratory problems, difficulty in breathing, and it will lead to some other health issues. Due to the release of poisonous chemicals, the burning plastics will pollute the environment and also the surrounding people. Apart from that, plastic wastage also can affect the groundwater. It is because we can see that the reservoirs and groundwater are susceptible to environments of toxin leaking. So the more plastic will react to the water, it will more produce some dangerous chemicals when it dumped into landfills. So ultimately, it also will cause some landfill pollution. So whereby the quality of water will be polluted when these chemicals are mixed together in underground. So basically, all these problems has to be taken into account in order to prevent all this and to come up with an alternative way to reduce the over wastage of plastic, so that our group members has been decided to take that plastic as an additional material in making of clay roofing, so that it can also will benefit the society. At the same time, it also will reduce the excessive production of plastic to the environment.
Okay, next I will present literature review. This is we got from past paper. Firstly, recycled plastics estimated of water absorption that adequately low, which is a good, irreversible, and vulnerable. Next is result in adding plastic waste in the design. It will reduce density and it will make a product more lighter. And rising the waste plastic ratio will increase the mechanical qualities of the plastic roof tile, such as a compressive strength. It also can make design low porosity values. So the last one is the correct coating of plastics will resist high temperature. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, so my name is Nur ASYIKIN binti Muhammad AZAHARI, and I will continue for the methodology for roof production. Okay, so for the first one, we start with the collection of the plastic waste. Okay, next we move to the melting and chipping plastic process. Okay, so in this process, we melt down the plastic, separate the waste, and shredded the waste into a workable size. And then we move to the mixing process. So mixing process, when we mix the plastic, sand, and coloring poured inside the extruder. Okay, next, as for the extruder process, we extrude process result the conversion of raw material directly into finished good roof composite. Okay, next, we move to the molder process. Molder process is the roof composite itself is molded into a molder machine. Okay, next, we can convert the roof composite into the shape and we can produce the roof final product. So next we move to the methodology in storyboarding concept. Okay, as for the methodology, we explain in terms of graphic methodology. Okay, so the first one we start with the plastic waste. So this is the graphic of plastic waste, and then the second one is when the waste is shredded and into a workable size, and then the third one is we mix the plastics and pour into the extruder, and then the graphic number 4, the extrude process of the roof sample, and then number 5 is we place the roof into a molder, and then number 6 we convert into the tile shape, and then number 8 we got the roof final product.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Hamizah binti Ahmad. I will present prototype for these projects. So for the shape is in curving M shapes. For the material is a mixture of the clay, salt, and also a shredded plastic salt.
Good day everyone, I'm Priyadashni anak perempuan MURUGIAH. I will present about discussion for project 2. GTU is known as Global Technopreneurship University. UTHM launched a new vision, mission and direction to accomplish the university's aspiration to become a global class technopreneur university capable of generating a qualified workforce in accordance with industry demands. UTHM's new mission statement is becoming a global technical university in sustainable technology and transportation, while its new vision statement is providing technical solutions for industry and community needs based on the monistic paradigm. The university's Global Technopreneur Plan is a manifesto to generate graduates who are knowledgeable and skilled in the field of science and technology at the international level. The digitalization of institutions, the development of talent, and the efficiency of the university's operation are the pillars of this university's strategic plan to align with the current and future global development. Benefits to the society. Innovation has a significant impact on the growth and survival of the engineering industry in the 25th century. Therefore, it is crucial that higher education institutions emphasize innovation and entrepreneurship education. Innovation also can enhance the market adoption of raw material solutions and expands the foundation for a greener future. In recent years, there has been an increase in the development of novel, sustainable solutions such as e-mobility and new battery technology for greener, more sustainable cities. Without these innovations, modern living would not be conceivable.
So now I will explain about entrepreneurial element. First is innovation, to determine the capability of recycled plastic waste to act as an additive in manufacturing roof. It is also to reduce the cost of construction. Second is ability to take a risk. Plastic content of HDPE, high density polyethylene that can easily form when heated. The uncertainty of whether plastic waste can be durable or not to use as an additive of material in making roof. Third is visionary and leadership. Purpose is to come up with a cheap but durable roofing solution, then to build a cleaner environment and to solve the problem between plastic waste. Fourth is know your product. Quality recycled plastic roof have a high degree of noise insulation and low thermal conductivity, so resistant to temperature changes, which the roof will remain cool in summer and at warm during the winter.
Next one, I will explain about the conclusion, which is a new product for civil engineering has its primary component established, which is additionally, it should enable the installation of waterproofing layers in a straightforward and secure manner without altering the technical guidelines. The installation of this product is possible in Muslim standard, passive, and energy-saving structures and existing buildings during reconstructions or alterations. Most frequently, during modernization project, the way to show are necessary for the internet product to operate well and last a long time, like J. Sobaga said. And material made from recycled plastics offer lots of promise for use in a variety of civil engineering fields, which they can be employed in compositions where conventional heat insulation materials are used because of their physical, mechanical, and chemical characteristics. Since no additional waterproofing or spreading layers are required when using a product made of secondary materials, the structural stiffness is reduced while still meeting all legal criteria. So the construction decreased financial expenses are a significant benefit. So that's all from me. Thank you.